Worth of hand sanitizer.
And then sold it and made $100,000.
Trevor,
It's just one bill.
can I borrow some money?
Make it rain, Bank of Trevor. Make it rain. Oh no, it's in the flat.
It's in the palm. You have to shake the money tree, Linda.
Make it rain. Make it
Shake the
rain.
money tree, Linda.
Is there any spiders in here?
No. There you go. Shake that money tree.
Thank you. Sukra. No, not Sukra.
Suksama.
Suksama.
Tiramisu.
All right. Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Morning. Afternoon.
Afternoon, morning. Who knows at this point? Day, night, what day it is, what night it is.
It is relative at this point.
Yeah. So, my family, where are we going today?
Well, we got a suggestion from a fellow guest here, a Parisian who doesn't want to hear us try to speak any French at all, which is very Parisian.
Tabernacle.
He suggested that we go to Danao Beratan, which is a lovely lake with a beautiful temple on it. It's going to take about an hour and a half to get there by scooter, so let's get rolling.
Well, let's do it. We've got a long, beautiful ride ahead of us. Another gas station run.
Moo! Moo cows.
Noticed over the last 3 days that the offerings have tripled in size. Stopping for a little jerk. Probably saying that wrong.
Nah.
But we are thirsty.
Yes, we are.
Cute
And
little
hungry.
And hungry. So we might actually even get something here, like a little bit of packaged rice or something. Meanwhile, Trevor is out there on the bridge about to do a drone shot. We'll go check it out after.
journey. Let's try and get that is in there. Sticky rice because we have a mango at home.
Oh, sticky rice and mango. Look at the rice. The rice is even got some vegetables in there. Pork, baby. And a little tiny drink. And I'm telling you, this is some kind of a pork broth soup. And it is absolutely gingerly divine. And that's what's in the potato too. We got big chunks of ginger in there. I can't even tell you how amazing this is. Trevor better get here fast before we eat everything, right? What do you think?
I want 3 more.
I just tried mine too. And this is
Can I have 3 more?
Absolutely fabulous. Oh my God, I'm gonna order 3 more too. What do we got in there, Linda?
It's like I believe this is like a coconut.
Yep.
And maybe garlic and stuff. And then this is chili to make it spicy.
Wow. I love it. These are the bowls. Oh, these are the bowls we brought home with us last time.
Is it?
Yeah, chicken bowls. Trevor's gonna love seeing that.
Hey, Trevor.
All right, Trevor, you're back from your drone. You better get eating. Linda and I killed our servings, and we even ate Trevor's because he took too long droning. But that's okay, because there's plenty of food. And Trevor's gonna go in for his first bite.
Yeah, you need to try that.
All right, so there's a lot of hype around these satay sticks. Soft, chewy, a little bit of spice, marinated nicely. I can see why you ate all mine.
Yeah, right? And wait till you try this soup. This soup is divine. It's got chunks of pork fat in there, chunks of garlic, ginger. Oh, it's...
Actually, I'm also stoked that they're the same bowls as we do at home.
I know, right?
That's a really good broth.
Right?
Street food is real food.
Oh my God.
These ginger chunks, you just eat them?
Yeah, they eat the whole thing.
Really?
Like it's
Those are potatoes.
Oh, that's a potato. Okay.
I think that's
looks
like a
cooked
radish
ginger.
or potato or something.
potato, ginger.
Yeah, some kind of like root vegetable.
Just what the doctor ordered.
Soul food.
Soul food.
We are right here.
Oh, okay. Yeah. It's so good. Trevor just ordered 12 more pieces. But look at, they're tiny little bite size.
I'm gonna share.
And of course, I'm gonna get my filthy little paws on some of those too. Holy see, they're
just
tiny.
I had like 22 of them. 23 of them.
Yum. We stopped just in time. It's nice tropical rain has come out of nowhere, even though there's blue skies. Thank you, universe, for bringing us to this awesome spot. We got some really black clouds rolling in. Just leaving the most amazing little road stop restaurant ever. Highly recommend it. You gotta come here. Wow. Oh, little puppy's coming to see Linda. Ooh, that storm, it's catching us. So we're gonna ditch going to the lake just because the thunder and lightning is starting to come in, and it's
Chasing us.
It's chasing us pretty fast. It's spit raining right now, but we're gonna outrun this safely.
We hope.
Yeah. Now that our belly's full of the most epic lunch I've ever had thus far.
Delicious.
Oh,
Pretty
oh,
epic.
oh, oh.
Delicious.
Nothing will compare now. Anyways, onward and forward.
Tally ho!
Tally ho! So we don't usually make it too far. Because every time we make it, maybe, I don't know, 20 meters, we find something so spectacular. The rain, na 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 na. Here comes the rain. What should we do? I don't know if we should keep on going or head back towards the light. What do you guys think? All right, the rain got us. The rain wins this round. The rain wins. Must seek shelter.
Alright, cheers to storms.
Cheers to storms and dry locations.
And being stuck in the corner, away from people. Our social distancing.
Social distancing, people. Show the view.
Bye.
It's pretty nice.
Might be the Ryan though. Just keeps raining.
I know. But Miss Linda wanted to go a little bit further.
We waffled on it too though.
It's true. This is nice though. It's really nice. Like, where do we have to be? Nowhere. Listen to that thunder. It's amazing. Might have a nice lightning storm too.